We are going together.
The water sector plan. So ladies and gentlemen, that's been activated on our website.
Bulaminaka to all of you. It's great to be here today, and especially the only male speaker. So let's sort of balance these things out. Anyway, Acting High Commissioner and the Country Manager for World Bank, ADB, the ADB representative here, Permanent Secretary, Water Authority of Fiji, the other members of the Diplomatic Corps were here, and also private sector. I'd like to thank you all for being part of the journey today. It marks a significant milestone, as already mentioned by Water Authority, moving forward in terms of having a comprehensive plan, a sustainable plan. Because without a plan, we can't move forward. So that was one of the concerns when we came in as a government, and when I was assigned the Ministry of Public Works. And as you know, it's quite a wide ministry. It's not only water, but roads. So these are the main targets of the public out there in terms of the concerns which are raised on a daily basis. And I'm very happy to be part of this water sector strategy, the formulation of it moving forward. Unfortunately, I'm not in the video, so they'll have to, the Minister of Finance is here, the PS is sitting here, so I don't know how they miss me out. But anyway, whether I'm there or not doesn't really matter. What matters is we have a plan moving forward and to address the current concerns, which, as you know, is a daily concern. It is a practical and daily concern, and to do with the lives of citizens on a daily basis, as you understand in terms of water. So a robust water sector is essential for various reasons, as mentioned, in terms of not only health, but sustaining families in various ways. And you will see